Hi, today we will take a look at how we can read and maintain the contacts from Outlook. So this I have tested on Office 2013 and 2016 and seems to work okay. If I go to my address book, it's a tiny address book. I only have 2 people here. So this is what I do. I press read from Outlook and I get the 2. I can add my mobile number. So now it's added. So if I go back and look here, you can see my mobile number. And it's really not a lot of code to achieve this. So if I go to Visual Basic, first of all, it's the list contacts subroutine. And it simply reads all of the contacts and write them to sheet 1. This one is central because the entry ID is the identifier for the contact. So that's the unique field that we have. So if I ask for the entry ID, I will get 1 single contact. The store ID identifies the folder where the contacts are, and if you don't search for the store ID, it will go for the default folder. This is the routine that's activated when I press the read from Outlook. And then when I do changes in sheet 1, I check if the target rows count or target columns count are bigger than 1. And if they are, then I have marked more than 1 cell, so I just skip. Then I check if the row is 1 or the column is less than C. Then I also skip. And that's because I don't want to update the entry ID and store ID, because that's what identifies the contact. But if I Mr. Peter P. Peterson, if I put in his middle name, you see it's directly updated also with a full name. We will take a look at that. So when I do a change, the update contact is called. Make this one a bit bigger. I think this is a bit primitive, but that's what you get. So I get the field name from row 1. So if you want to play with this, remember that the field name, the first row, has to reflect the exact field name that you want to change in Outlook. So based on the cell in the first row, we find if it's the first name or middle name or what changed. So we assign that value to the field name and we save the contacts. If you download the sheet, I have put a hyphen before the contact save, so you have to enable the save yourself, because this will affect your Outlook contacts if you remove this one. So after the contact is saved, the list contacts routine is called again to reflect the changes. Is there any more? Oh yes, it is. Under references, tools and references, here we have to have the Outlook 16 object library. If you are using Office 2013, it's the Outlook 15 object library. That's about it, I think. And also the Excel 16 and 15. Yes, you have to keep track of those version numbers of the object libraries. So the version that you download works on both 2013 and 2016. Okay, that's about it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.